All right, guys, welcome back for the Monday Directions full week this week. Starting off pretty simple. We're just working through chapter 2 still. We did chapter 2.1 notes on Wednesday with Alfred Wagner and plate tectonics. We're moving on today, something a little more simple to get us started this week. We're just going to go through this landform sheet. So what you're going to do here, this is normally pretty easier with the book if you guys were all in person. So what I did is I just copied off the pages from the book that we use. It's in gray, so you're not going to get like the cool aspect of it with all the colors, and so it just kind of looks kind of bleh, but that's okay. Basically what you're going to do, guys, is you have two pages here with just a bunch of landforms on it. This again, right? This is basic geography for the most part, so we're just covering the landforms to make sure we know them down before we can move on. So you have this little guide here to help you out. All you're going to do is you're basically copying the definitions of those landforms in this part right here. Now, you guys are supposed to be savvy with this technology stuff, but you guys are making yourselves look bad. Remember now, all you do, if you want to write on this sheet, you don't have to use this sheet if you don't want to, guys. You can just literally write the word cataract and then write the definition on a Google Doc. You don't have to use this sheet. This is just like helping you out. If you want to use this sheet, okay, now this is a super hard thing, okay, for my technologically savvy ninth graders here. You click File, you click Make a Copy of this. Yep, copy of Section 2 vocab, perfect. You click that. Because instead of asking me or requesting for like access to write on this, just File, Make a Copy. Now you have your own sheet. So now this is yours, and now you can type on this one, and it's not going to affect the main copy, because if I gave you access to the main copy and you started typing, that means every single person in the class is going to see you typing. Okay, so click File, Make a Copy, and then you'll have your own copy of it if you want to fill it in on the sheet. Again, you do not have to do that. You can just use a blank Google Doc and just give me the answers. You could also handwrite it and then take a picture of that on a piece of paper and turn that in. So a million different ways to do it. All right, but basically just fill in this sheet and just use this to help you out and just copy down the definitions. All right, that's it, people. We're moving on tomorrow to a little more exciting things, but that's all I got for you guys today. Have a good one. Again, the assignment's due tomorrow, 8 a.m., so just once you're done with it, just turn it in today. Have a good one, everybody.